now. So how do you prepare for your role?
This is coming.
Action to eh.
Actually, lahat po kami nag-undergo po kami sa training for months eh. Tapos, nag-pikiti kami, nag-Muay Thai, tapos tactical. So lahat, ang dami namin tinay, nag-war games kami, gano'n. So,
Actually, help yan eh.
Oo,
Tulong yan.
para maramdaman mo talaga yung feeling kung ano yung pakiramdam ng nasa war ka talaga. And ayun, nakita naman namin yung chemistry ng lahat. Nag-training na kami, tapos dami namin pasaka lagi.
Super dami namin pinagdaanan bago mag-day 1. Honestly, mga siguro 4 months, not every day, but mga almost 4 months kami nag-train. So, ang dami namin pinag-aralan, ang daming first time kong ginawa personally na hindi ko na-expect na makakahap pala.
Nagmotor ka na.
Wala pa yun. Pero yan, ang dami namin pinagdaanan bago mag-day 1. Kaya sa 4 months na yun, nabuo na rin yung friendship namin lahat.
Saka yung training na yun, we were taught how to yung mga room clearing, when entering building, tsaka doon mahalata kasi kung maganda yung chemistry and yung proper training, handling the weapons. So we would sometimes go to mga airsoft games, and then as a team, minsan naghiwalay, tapos sa firing range, different weapons, lahat ng individual weapons na gagamitin namin, ng characters namin, kailangan namin aralin yung weapon na yun sa firing range. Aside from sa martial arts area, mga tactical moves for that. So, kasi nga, alam namin sobrang ma-action to.
Finger of the trigger.
Finger of the trigger. Lagi siyang finger on the trigger.
Delikado. Oo, delikado yan. Yes, Direk Lester?
So basically, before we start the show, we set up a training camp. The training camp is like an athlete's camp or a soldier's camp. How an athlete would prepare for a competition, that's how we do it. So they really endured a lot of pain and hard work.
So much pain.
They trained martial arts. We wanted to showcase Filipino martial arts in this show. Several kinds of Filipino knife fighting, sword fighting, and hand-to-hand combat. And then they also trained in real tactical close quarter combat. We trained under some of the best military consultants for them to teach us all, including us directors, how to fight a real battle inside a close quarter combat. We fired real guns. We fought in a simulated way, and then other than that, it's also a team building. But it's a grueling 4 months journey. So before we shoot the first day, medyo okay na yung bonding ng team.
Grabe yung 4 months na training bago mag-shoot.
Parang basketball team yan eh. Kailangan ng chemistry.
Oo.
Walang chemistry, wala.
At kung sinasabi
Richard, you're gonna say something?
Yeah, I just want to give a shout out also to two of our consultants, Sir Benjo Ramos and Sir Patch Caballero, who's been there with us since day 1 of training. Sila nag-training sa amin ng tactical moves, Bikini Tear Shop, and they also joined us on set, to guide us sa proper positionings and everything tactical-wise. So I want to give shout out to those guys.
Yes, maraming salamat po. And kanina rin when Direk Lester was discussing yung pain, si Anthony, Anthony sabi niya, pero worth it. Worth it naman, oo nga. Now, we would also like to know about your roles na po. Each one, pwede po bang kwentuhan niyo kami without spoiling too much, no? Pero nakita naman natin yung trailer, so you have an idea na kung ano na yung medyo pwede nang malaman ng ating mga kapamilya. So please tell us about your roles. Let's start with Kyla Estrada. Yes.
Okay, sa akin ka pa talaga nag-start. So, my character's name is Max Alvero, and she is, according to Sir Ian's character. Sir Ian? Tito Ian's character. Kuya Ian, sorry. She is considered to be one of the best hackers that he knows. So, very technical yung role ni Max dito and yung role niya and the team. But she's also very skilled physically. Well, Sorry, just wanted to set that up. But yeah, so she's the hacker of the team, and her personality, she's very, I would say she's a pretty stoic person, and she's very business is business, and that's kind of her personality. And yeah, I feel like it works well with a team of very colorful personalities.
Thank you very much, Kai. Kahit ginulat kita, ang ganda ng sagot mo, Kai. Okay.
Okay, and we'll go on with next, Anthony.
Si Tomas, yung character ko dito, ano siya? Matapang. Tapos siguro, ano lang siya eh, parang mahirap lang siya. Pero, yun nga eh, kulang-kulang din siya. Pero, ayun, meron siyang tapang and ano siya eh, hindi siya discharged soldier. Parang hindi siya graduate kasi nagkaroon ng problema. Pero, ayun, nahanap ako ng mga to. Tapos, basta panoorin nyo. Nakita?
Thank you, Anthony. At ang napaka-sexy si Maris Racal.
Hindi kasi pagdating ko dito na ano ako sa gate.
At sumabit! Napunit! Yung pala yun, guys. Yung pala.
Panoorin niyo po sa CCTV. Hindi ko nga din alam ba't ko ito sinabi. Anyway, yung name ng character ko dito ay si Gabriela Rivera. And sa grupo, she's also magaling din siya sa hand-to-hand combat, tactical, yung fight. But yung specialty, yung ano niya dito, yung skill niya talaga dito, they call it the honeypot. So she infiltrates different groups. So she will be dealing with a lot of people. She's a shapeshifter-ish, and she speaks a lot of different languages. So,
On the brains.
so she's a spy.
Spy?
Yeah,
No?
she's a spy of the group. Yes. Well, yeah, yun lang masasabi ko pa ngayon. Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Maris. Okay, next we have Darren.
Yeah, hello. Umiyak ka. Hello. Yung character ko dito, sobrang mabuting tao.
Change of home.
Medyo kinailangan mo yung workshop na business, Sir Henry and the team. Ito yung bumagay naman kasi sa character ko, yung pangalan niya is Miguel Texon. Ang dami niyang skills set and ang laking tulong niya doon sa grupo kasi isa po siyang napakagaling na sniper, isa rin po ako sa medic, doktor ng team, and isa rin po akong alcoholic. Recovering alcoholic. I think natutuwa po ako kay sa Full of Writers na Incognito na hindi lang pagdabol sa war, pati na rin yung pagdabol sa mental health and awareness na what addiction and kung ano pang mga PTSD at kung ano pang mga sakit na dinidil ng mga bawat characters dito. So maraming matututunan ang mga manonood dito.
So aside from the action, meron pang ibang mapupulot ang ating mga kapamilya pag nanood sila ng Incognito.
That's exactly right.
Okay, now let's go to Ian Veneracion.
Ako naman po, ang character ko dito, ako yung pinakabunso. So si Kuya DJ at si Kuya Charge. I play the role of Greg Paterno. And he has a long history of military service, has worked overseas, and he's a tactician, he's a planner, and siya yung makikipag-negotiate for the whole team. And then siya rin ang nagbe-brief kung ano yung situation, anong gagawin. And yun, pero sarili niya, marami rin siyang nakaraan na unresolved issues, personal issues, na hindi ko pa siguro dapat i-disclose, pero along the way, makikita rin kasi yung individual journey ng kada character. That's I think what makes it really interesting. Hindi lang siya action na napagilan, no. It's 7 different characters and different phases in their journey. tapos nagtatagpo-tagpo sila. So, minsan maganda minsan swak, yung dynamics. Minsan may tension between characters. So, it's really interesting.
So may depth din yung characters nila. But ako, I also want to ask, kasi fan talaga ako ni Ian Brinasyon. We know that you fly also, di ba? You're a pilot. So magagamit niyo ba yun dito?
Lahat ng skills namin, lahat siguro, nagagamit namin dito.
Ooh, exciting.
Very excited. Sa trailer pa lang, di ba? That's a good teaser pa
Maganda
lang.
din siya dito.
Alright, next we'll have Richard.
Yes, ako dito si Jose Bonifacio, discharged ex-Navy SEAL. Very competitive, very competent, mission-based yung objective lagi ni JB dito. Isa sa mga main objectives niya ay makabalik sa military. And I also come from a family of military men. So, yeah, exciting. Action character.
And now let's have Daniel Padilla.
Andres Malvar, Dugong Igorot, Makatao, at Discharged Scout Ranger. Yun ang muna.
Short but sweet, oo. Pero tama nga yun, baka talagang we're left wanting for more, di ba? Sa January na po yan, mga kapamilya.